Good morning, students. Welcome back to the fourth session on coordinate geometry. Now, before starting with today's session, let's first revise the previous session. In previous session, we have learned about the lines parallel to x-axis. So, if I draw a line passing through point A, which have coordinates 0, b, then I will get a line parallel to x-axis. So if I consider the value of b as greater than 0, then the line will be above the x-axis, and if the value of b is less than 0, then the line will be below the x-axis. Okay, and the equation of such line is y is equal to b. And we also know that the y coordinate of all the points on the line which is parallel to x-axis is same. So if you consider any point on this line, then all those points will have y coordinate same. Okay, so such type of lines are called as lines parallel to x-axis. Now let's see the equation of lines which are parallel to y-axis. So here I have drawn line passing through point A which have coordinates a, 0. Then you will get line which is parallel to y-axis. Now here if you consider the value of a is greater than 0, then the line will be to the right of y-axis, and if the value of a is less than 0, then the line will be on the left of y-axis. Okay, and we know that all points on this line will have x coordinate same. So such type of lines are called as lines parallel to y-axis, and the equation of such line is in the form x is equal to a. Okay, now let's see some points which you have to remember. The y coordinate of every point on the x-axis is 0. Therefore, the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. The x coordinate of every point on the y-axis is 0. Therefore, the equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. So, these all points you should remember. Now, we are going to learn the graph of a linear equation in the general form. Now, you all know that what is the meaning of linear equation in two variables. You have learned that in the previous standards. Okay, so an equation of the form ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b both are not equal to 0, is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. So we know that the equation in the form of x and y is known as linear equation in the variables x and y. Okay, so let's see one example for your better understanding. We will draw the graph of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, the value of a is 2, value of b is 1 and value of c is 0. Okay, so for that what we have to do, first we will write this equation in the form of x. That means we will shift this x term to the right hand side. So you will get here y is equal to minus 2x. Now what we will do? We will consider or we will assume some values of x and the corresponding values of y we will find out. So first we will consider x is equal to 0. So what will be the y? Y is equal to, substitute the values of x here, minus 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. Now let's take one more example or one more value of x. X is equal to 1. Then y will be equal to y is equal to minus 2 into 1, that is equal to minus 2. Let's assume one more value of x. X is equal to minus 1. Then y will be equal to 2. Okay. So these are the some values of x and y. And you have to write all these values of x and y in the form of table. So here you have to draw a table where you will write all the values of x which you have assumed and all the values of y which we have find out. And also you have to write those values in the form of ordered pair. That means x value you will write for x coordinate you will write first and then you will write the y coordinates. So here first value of x is 0 and y is also 0. The value of x is 1, then the value of y is minus 2. If the value of x is minus 1, then the value of y is minus 2. And what is the ordered pair here? In bracket 0, 0, 1, minus 2 and minus 1 and 2. So this way you have to enter all the values of x coordinate and y coordinates. Now we have to plot the graph of these points. So let's draw the graph here. First we will draw x-axis and y-axis. We will write the scale and then we will start plotting the points. So first point have coordinates 0, 0. So your first point will be this point, okay, which have coordinates 0, 0. Then what is the second point? Coordinates are 1 and minus 2. That means x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So that point will be in the fourth quadrant. So your point will be this, which have x coordinate 1 and y coordinate minus 2. So write down the coordinates here. 1, minus 2. Now what is the third point? Minus 1 and 2. So that will be in the second quadrant. So this will be your third point, which have coordinates minus 1 and 2. So let's draw the line which is passing through all these 3 points. Okay. So here you get a straight line passing through all these 3 points. That means all these 3 points are collinear points. And such type of line is the graph of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 0. So this way you have to draw the graph of the given equation. Okay. So let's try to solve some problems from practice set 7.2. The first sum is, on a graph paper, plot the points A, coordinates are 3, 0, and point B, coordinates are 3, 3, and point C, which have coordinates 0, 3. Join A, B and C. What is the figure form? So first you have to plot the graph here. First what we'll do, you will draw x-axis and y-axis. You will write the coordinates. Okay. Now what is the first point you have to plot here? Yes, point A, which have coordinates 3, 0. So let's find out the point here. Now the y coordinate is 0. That means that point will lie on the x-axis. So this will be your point A. So write the coordinates of this point. Now what is the second point? 3, 3. Now x coordinate and y coordinate are positive. So that point will be in the first quadrant. So your second point will be this. Write the coordinates. Now third point is point C, 0, 3. X coordinate is 0. That means this point will lie on the y-axis. So your third point will be this. Write the coordinates. Okay. Now you have to join all these points. So what you will get here? If you join point A and B, point B and C, then you will get a figure here. Now what is the distance between points A and B? It is 3 units. The distance between point B and C is also 3 units, and the distance between point C and origin is also 3 units. So all the sides of these quadrilateral is 3 units, that means same. So you will get quadrilateral OABC is a square. Okay. Now let's solve the next question. Write the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to its left. Now we have already seen that the equation of line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to a, and if the value of a is greater than 0, the line will be right to the y-axis, and if the value of a is less than 0, then the line will be to the left of y-axis. Okay. So here you have to draw a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to the left. That means your value of or the y coordinate will be negative. Okay. So let's write down the solution. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to a, and since the line is at the distance of 7 units to the left of y-axis, you will have a is equal to minus 7. Yes. So the equation of the required line is x is equal to minus 7. Okay. I hope you all have understood this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Third question I have given in the assignment. So you have to solve that question. It is similar to the second one. Now let's see the fourth question. The point Q is minus 3 and minus 2 lies on a line parallel to the y-axis. Write the equation of the line and draw its graph. Now in this question you have to find the equation of line and also you have to draw its graph. So let's start with the solution. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to a, that we all know. Here a is equal to minus 3. It is given here. X coordinate is minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 is the equation of the required line. Now let's try to draw the graph. Now we have to plot the point having coordinates minus 3 and minus 2. So x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is also negative. So that point will lie in the third quadrant. So let's find out where that point will lie. Yes, here. Point Q with the coordinates minus 3 and minus 2. Now what you have to do? You have to draw a straight line parallel to y-axis passing through this point Q. So let's draw the line. This line will have equation x is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now let's see the fifth question. X-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? Now the x-axis and the line which have equation x is equal to minus 4. So this line must be parallel to y-axis. Yes. So let's see. First you have to draw the x-axis and y-axis. And now the equation is x is equal to minus 4. That means that line will be to the left of y-axis. Okay. So now this line is having equation x is equal to minus 4. Okay. And then you have to find the distance between x-axis and this parallel line. So let's start with the solution. Equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to -4. It is given to us. Therefore, the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to -4 is, now here we have two coordinates 0 and -4. So you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So you will get here 0 minus -4, that is equal to 4 units. So your final answer will be the distance between the y-axis and the line x is equal to -4 is 4 units. So in this session we have solved 5 sums. Remaining sums we will solve in the next session. Now let's move on to the assignment. Here I have given you 2 questions. Write the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. Now this question is similar to the second question. You can solve this. And second question is, how many lines are there which are parallel to x-axis and having a distance 5 units? So these 2 questions you have to solve. I hope you have enjoyed this session a lot. We will meet in the next session. Thanks for watching this video.